This submenu is used to set additional parameters of the Atom 3.0. We will cover this submenu in two parts. To enter the Set U submenu, while at the surface, press the Advanced button until you see the Set U lead-in screen, then press Select. The Set U submenu has 9 submenus: Set Wet Activation, Set Units, Set Deep Stop, Set Safety Stop, Set Algorithm, Set Conservative Factor, Set Backlight, Set Sampling Rate, and Set Transmitters. Let's look at the first one, the Set Wet Activation submenu. When wet activation is set off, the Atom 3.0 will not automatically enter dive mode. When wet activation is set on, immersion in water will activate the Atom 3.0, which will then enter dive mode upon descent. Remember that it is good practice to check your dive computer when you are assembling your gear. This submenu is identified by the message Wet. To change the wet activation setting, press the Advanced button to toggle it between on and off. Let's set it to off. Press the Select button to save the value and continue to the next setting. Let's look at the Units submenu. You can use this submenu to decide which measurement system to use, either metric or imperial. This submenu is identified by the message Unit. To change the Unit setting, press Advanced to toggle it between imperial and metric. Let's set it to imperial. Press the Select button to save the value and continue to the next setting. Let's look at the Deep Stop submenu. You can use this submenu to have the Atom 3.0 calculate the depth of deep stops for no decompression dives. When deep stop is set on, the Atom 3.0 will calculate the deep stop depth only for normal no deco dives when you descend to 80 feet. The deep stop depth is equal to half the maximum depth. To change the deep stop setting, press the Advanced button to toggle it between on and off. Let's set it to on. Press the Select button to save the value and continue to the next setting. When diving, it is good practice to perform a safety stop before ascending to the surface. The Atom 3.0 provides you with 2 ways to monitor your safety stop. The classic way, in which you define the depth of safety stop and its length, and a more liberal way using a timer. We will see both ways in action later in this class. This submenu contains 3 options. They are Safety Stop Off, Safety Stop On, or TMR On. To select either of them, press the Advanced button or the Mode button until you see the desired selection on the screen, then press the Select button. If you select Safety Stop Off, the Atom 3.0 will ignore the safety stop and move to the next setting. If you select TMR On, the Atom 3.0 will enable the Countdown Safety Stop Timer mode and move to the next setting. And finally, if you select Safety Stop On, the Atom 3.0 will use the classic Safety Stop mode and ask you to program the stop time and stop depth. To program the safety stop time value between 3 to 5 minutes, press either the Advance or Mode button until you see the desired value on the screen. Let's select 3 minutes. Press the Select button. To program the safety stop depth value between 10 to 20 feet, press either the Advance or Mode button until you see the desired value on the screen. Let's select 15 feet. Press the Select button to save the value and continue to the next setting. Let's look at the Algorithm submenu. The Atom 3.0 is configured with 2 algorithms, which allows you to choose which set of no decompression limits will be used for nitrogen and oxygen calculations. You can select to use either the DSAT or PZ+. The selection will lock in for 24 hours after the last dive. DSAT has been the standard used by Oceanic in all of its dive computers to this time. It imposes restrictions for repetitive deep or deco dives considered more risky. PZ+, or Pelagic Z+, performance is based on Bullman ZHL-16C. It features NDLs that are considerably more conservative, especially at shallower depths. To change the algorithm setting, press the Advanced button to toggle it between DSAT and PZ+. Let's set it to DSAT. Press the Select button to save the value and continue to the next setting. Press Next at the bottom of the screen.